So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessica and I talk about frugal living, fitness, motivation, and minimalism. In this video, I'm going to show you how I opened an investment account for my daughter. She just turned 1, and I have a Roth IRA that I've had for a few years, and one of my biggest regrets was that I didn't do it sooner. And the hardest part with these investment accounts is just opening them and getting them started. So I wanted to go ahead and start my daughter with her investment plan. So I'll walk you through how I opened it. So specifically, this investment plan, it's on Vanguard. It's called a 529 plan, and I've got all my slides up here next to me, and I'll have them up so you can see them too, but it's just for my reference, and this isn't sponsored. It's just something I want to share because I wish it was simpler when I had to figure out how to do mine. And I'm not a financial expert or an investment expert, so this is just what I did, so you can see how I did it. So to start, you'll just go to their website, the investor.vanguard.com/home. There's a link, and then when you get there, you have the option to either log in or open an account. And once you do that, it gives you the little options how you want to get started. This is the first account for Alexis, and I don't want to combine it with any other thing I got going on. I don't know if I could, so I just did open a new account with money from my bank. And then from there, it just asks if you need advice or if you want to start on your own. So I just did start on my own. And then it kind of gives you a heads up of all the things you'll need to know and the decisions you need to make with going forward. So I clicked continue opening account, and then, okay, this is really important, you pick the type of account you want. So for my daughter, I wanted her to get the 529, so I clicked on the education or general investing for a minor. Then you can click continue. So the account types for this purpose, it gives you a breakdown, and I clicked on the check your state's rules. I recommend you click on that because there were some rules I didn't realize existed with some states. So for example, some states, and it tells you what to look for when you're looking up which state. Some of them have fees and costs. Some of them you have to do different investment choices. Some initial investment amounts can be as little as $1. I don't know which ones those are. Okay, so then I chose the Vanguard 529 plan for education savings. And then you can just read about the other options, like a brokerage account for a minor or a traditional IRA for a minor. But it looks like the minor would have to earn income, so that's why I didn't do those. Once you pick one, this little pop-up thing popped up, and then I just exit out of that and then clicked continue. And it gives you the new account process. Once I got on this page, I clicked, it asks why are you investing, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's education saving for a minor, and then the account type is the Vanguard 529 college savings plan. That's the one, and then you click continue, and then this screen popped up, and you just fill in your personal information, and then it asks you to confirm your address. Then it asks for your beneficiaries information, so who you're opening the account for. If it's for your son or your daughter, this would be their name. You'll need their name, their date of birth, social security number, citizenship. You'll fill all that out. Okay, once you click continue, it asks what investment strategy you want to do, and you can do custom or target. I started looking into the custom portfolio, and it got really complicated. I didn't know what I was talking about, so I just did the target enrollment, and I click continue. Once you click on target, it asks you to pick what year you plan to take money out of the investment. When you're reading about this target enrollment, it kind of explains the difference. So when it says enrollment, it looks like it's that's the time you take the money out and use it. So as it gets closer to that date, the investments you have get more conservative and less risky. So the risky stocks that you have, you can have those for a long period of time. That's okay. But if it's for a short period of time, you don't want your investments to be risky. And it explains that it says your target enrollment is based on when you'll need to use portions of your savings, your investment, and your comfort level with risk. So once you choose your year, you can click continue. I also clicked on custom portfolio so you can see that. You can see what that says. Okay, so when you click on target enrollment, it shows you how everything's allocated into short-term reserves, bonds, and stocks. And I plan to take out our savings around 2040, 2041. And that's when we plan to start using them into college or some kind of technical school. Okay, after you click continue from that, it asks, how do you want to fund this account? For this account, it's $3,000 to open the account. So I already have the money set up in the account that's already linked to Vanguard because of my Roth IRA. So I clicked on bank account and I filled in the bank information and click continue. If you didn't already have your bank information linked, it would just do it right now with your bank information. And then it talks about this UGift thing. So once your account has already been activated and confirmed and good to go, it sends you this code that you can share with family and friends to put money into your son or daughter's 529 account. I don't know how easy that's going to be for some people to figure out and do. I might try and do it myself, but that's an option they have. And then that's how you want to get communications. And it just gives you some more information about consenting to receive electronic information. And then you just review everything and submit it. And it just says to make sure you click the continue button so it can be submitted properly. So out of this whole process, the most important things you need to decide are the type of account you want to open. So if you want it to be for your son or daughter, they don't earn income, and you want it to be for school or some kind of education, then it would be the 529 account. Other than that, you need to figure out if you want to do a target enrollment for a targeted year that you want to start using the money, and then Vanguard just automatically sets the risk for you, or if you want to do a custom portfolio and mix up the percentages of the risk yourself. You select your own mix of investments. And you can change this. So if you select it one way, you can change it up to 2 times a year. Okay guys, that is what I did to set up my daughter's Vanguard account. Following this, I got an email the same day, and I was able to see the amount the next day in the Vanguard app, and then the next 1 or 2 business days, I was able to go in and contribute if I wanted to contribute more money or check it out. I'll let you know that I chose the targeted enrollment, and her account is already up $50. Don't know how that happened, but it's only been less than a week, and it's already up $50. I know it can go up and down, but just wanted to share that with you. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.